Alright, hello and welcome back. This was the build we took a look at last weekend, and for some reason the recycle bin icon's broken. This was build 4093, and I decided we should probably compare this to the very first post-reset build that resembles this build, which is build 5048. What Microsoft had done is probably they re-implemented a lot of features from the pre-reset era to like continue on after they had to start over with using Windows Server 2003 codebase. So I remember how buggy this build was with componentization and everything. Take a look at our computer. I don't think there's any sound for some odd reason, though we can see if I can take a look at something we missed from the last video, which is this, which is the very buggy movie maker. Which you see is not really wanting to do anything. Alright, what's going on down here? Oh, there we go, finally. See, I'm gonna make a new project. I don't know. Just experimenting around here. Let's add this. Surprised I haven't really gotten any error yet. It's supposed to be very errory. Yeah, I'm nervous and nothing's working for some reason. Oh, lovely. Yeah, this version of Media Player is whoa. I'm just clicking on stuff and it's airing out. And there it goes. So yeah, that's something we missed from the last video. I did something with this ISO image, and I'm curious if we still have that odd desktop background. Yep, we do. We got the Kodak stuff, which is I found weird. Don't think well, that's weird. It actually replaced the Bliss wallpaper. I don't think I really fixed the build, but I don't think the next build we're going to be taking a look at in a few minutes really was modified. I think it was a pretty clean ISO, and for some reason VMware VirtualBox things in the way. So yeah, we still have things like being able to switch to the Luna theme, and then wherever it is, Windows XP, we're going to switch to that. And to apply the theme to the taskbar, we have to restart Explorer, so if this will ever load, we'll be able to take a look at that. So give it just a quick second here. And nothing's happening. Just going to but there we go. Take a while. Get a little nervous for a second. So we're going to kill Explorer, and then run new task. Explore. Give it a quick second here. See, there's supposed to be space for the sidebar here, and the build types being kind of weird. Though we're not going to spend much longer on this build. Though it seems like this takes a while. Though, what else can we do? We can change the got blue lace, exclaim, coffee bean, bullet, which I'm trying to see what it looks like. Which are a bunch of circles. And that makes it hard to read text on the screen. That just makes it blue. Stretch. Lovely. Explorer just started up again, and it's still fritting slightly. Why? Just use the blue lace. I'm in a modified theme. Good lord. I'm just set it back to slate. Wait on its slowness again. The highlight of my day is how slow this build is. I don't think the other build's that much faster. So wait on the 23.5 million minutes for it to do anything. I just know that VirtualBox Guest Editions doesn't work on this build for some reason. That kind of sucks because it's kind of annoying having it being this slow. Ew, Movie Maker's still somehow on, which is kind of weird. Well, that's it for build 4093. Now let's take a look at builds 5048. And FYI, I cannot use the start menu to shut down because this happens. It just wants to sleep. Because we got the low disk space on a CD, which is kind of counterintuitive, I guess. I don't know what word to describe it. Kind of silly. So instead, we can shut down the computer by typing shutdown -s -t 0 and then pressing enter. So yeah. Alright, we're back, and we're looking at build 5048, which now has sounds. I haven't usually tested VirtualBox Guest Editions on this at all, but not really important. So, the disk drive's now a disk drive, which is good because I don't get yelled at for having low disk space on a CD, which never have any disk space on it, no pun intended. This is about 9 months compiled after build 4093, especially since we had the Omega 13 build, which is like a split image of the Windows XP, except now WinVer says Windows LH, like the picture banner on it says Windows LH. I just find it kind of amusing, except for build 3790, which is build 5000, 5001. We actually have sound, so if I go to the control panel and go to sound, speech, and audio devices, sound and audio devices, let's see where we can find those sounds. There we go. Yes, I guess. Oh, none of the sounds are wanting to do anything. I just had the sounds. No. I don't want to do that. I don't want to boot up to a computer with the chord sounds. We're in Windows Media and listen to them there. So let's see. Chimes. Nice. Finish. C. Battery randomization. And it's apparently nothing's working. Oh, you finally heard a tiny beep there or something. There we go. See if we actually have sound in this build. And it's a song actually. I don't want to get copyright strike there. So let's see, Windows XP are ta-dum. So yeah, we all have all these sounds from Windows XP because this is the last build to conclude our favorite old Luna theme, which doesn't take as long. But now everything kind of looks out of place a little bit, as the next build 509398 does not actually have the Luna theme anymore. But I kind of do like the clashing of icons here. It kind of looks cool. So this is the last build to include our good and old pictures. Our good and old friend, 3D Pinball Space Cadet. Excuse me. So, where is 3D Pinball Space Cadet? Or is games in general? Oh look, we got a search. And nothing. Let's see, 3D. And for some reason, I don't know where to locate it. Am I being silly or something? Change my name. Space. I get Spider Solitaire. Cool. So yeah, I don't think it's just the files are still here. We got a arrow thing going on here. And let's see if there's any like weird modifications to what we have options for this. Follow friend. What the world? Trying to look at what that is. Oh, it's a dog. And I cannot see that. Friend, follow. We got a dog, we got a friend, we got home. Longhorn. I think some of these may have came with Longhorn, it looks like. Peace. We got peace. Prairie wind. Purple radiant. Red moon. Red moon desert. Radiance is also a moon. Ripple. Stonehenge. Windows XP. A Windows Server 2003. And Zapotec. See, I want to see what Vortec is. That looks cool, so we're gonna use that. So yeah. Oh my god. So this is build 5048, and yeah. So this has been a pretty good video. Things seem to be copacetic and stuff, and yeah, we enjoyed today's video, and the shutdown feature in this build actually works, and I'll see you in the next one.